What has been the most rewarding part of being chair?
Well, being department chair, of course, is there are some frustrating moments, but sorry, cut that out. My name's Martin Olsson. I'm a professor of mathematics and the department chair. First of all, it's a great honor to represent the math department and UC Berkeley. It's a wonderful place to be. I mean, it's a very lively department. I think we have great students, great colleagues. It's a place with a long history of faculty doing some of their best work here. We have faculty working in geometry, topology, logic, number theory. Pretty much every field of mathematics is represented here. The research environment is second to none, and I think the student population is really fantastic here at Berkeley. Faculty get a lot from the students, both grad students and undergrads. Well, we're a big department, so that means a lot of areas that are sort of require attention. So I would say certainly we're going to need a new building. In the graduate student sphere, I think we're very much focused on building more community. COVID, seems like a long time ago, but the effects are still very much felt. In our teaching mission, we reach huge numbers of students, and the more we can support those students, the better. I want to thank you all for your support of the department and Berkeley. It makes a huge impact, and on behalf of all the students and faculty, I want to thank you because we wouldn't be the same department without your support.